Today I'm going to carry on my cherry theme and I'm going to make cherry flavoured iced lollies and I cannot wait, this is so exciting. So what we need to start with, we need some chopped up cherries, obviously take the pips out. And I'm going to pop these in a blender because we need to blend it all together. It says if you need some recipes you can use Greek yogurt for this, however I'm using soy yogurt. So I'm going to put around half of the yogurt into here, like that. And then I'm going to add, to kind of make things a little sweet, some honey. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of honey. And then I'm going to add a splash of lemon juice. Okay, and then obviously, you know, I kind of like things a little bit boozy sometimes. So I'm going to get out my amazing Amaretto again, because it smells so good and it's cherry themed. So, obviously, if you're making these for kids, don't put the Amaretto in. This can be adult lollies. So let's add 2 shots in there. Okay, and then it's as simple as this to make iced lollies. And I think people should make this more often because it's just so easy. So then we pop the top on and we're going to blend this all together. When I can find the top. Blend it all together and we need to kind of get it into a pretty smooth texture. So once you've got it as smooth as you would like, we're gonna take it off and I'm gonna, obviously we need a lolly mould for this. Oh, it smells amazing, by the way. So then we are just gonna pour it into our moulds. Okay, you can tell that it is pretty messy. So we've got our lids. We're gonna add these on top because obviously this is how the lollies are made. One. Okay, so this is the finishing touch. So we need to freeze these now. So you've got to put these in the freezer for around 2 hours. So I've taken these out of the freezer and they didn't take 2 hours to make at all. Like it said, they actually took all evening and night and we're now in the next day. So don't expect them to be ready. Look! Oh my goodness, I am so impressed. So this is my boozy lolly. I'm going to try it, of course. Wow, that tastes so good. Oh my goodness, you can actually taste the Amaretto. So this is my amazing cherry boozy flavoured lolly. How good is that? I'm so impressed. You can find out lots of other recipes too and lots of other things on my website on natalieeaglen.com.